Hello trader, I'm going to do a complete multi-time frame analysis on gold. Let's see what kind of trading opportunity currently we have in this instrument. As you can see on the lower time frame on gold giving us a significant trading opportunity. Now before we discuss how we can trade, let's look at bigger picture to see the general direction in the market. Looking at first of all monthly perspective to see overall picture. Now from the monthly we can see that gold has reached a very important monthly level of resistance. If we look at the historical information, we see that this is the gold has reached ever so far. This is the historical high on gold, which is 2070-75 level, and gold is approaching on the monthly in that zone, and as a result we see some resistance coming up. This is the monthly candle. Currently gold has reached the zone where a year ago this price primarily visited. Now we see that this price just been tested, and on the lower time frame we can see some resistance coming up in gold. This is the monthly candle. If we look at the overall picture on gold market, we can see that gold historically bullish market. We saw that starting from this important level, this is the resistance here. Gold has bounced from this zone, has broken to the upside, has come back to the same level again, support tested, and we have seen this high was created during this Russian Ukraine war, and the price has broken that level again, has gone up, tested this support exactly as a support and making it as a liquidity grab on the monthly is the sign that over the long term we could see gold even going up to create a new higher high. Now, at the moment we saw previous months gold has created a bullish candle that is a higher low on this monthly level of support. Now with that support, we saw that gold has formed this strong bullish angle for previous months. This month so far we have seen after a little pullback an attempt from the buyers. At the same time, as I mentioned, gold is facing a monthly resistance. We might see a deeper pullback on the lower time frame. As this is weekend, we might see now a reversal. As this is weekend, buyers may hesitate to buy from such a high price. If we look at the weekly perspective, we see that gold from the weekly as well showing significant bullish move. There is an inverted head and shoulder here as well on the weekly, and gold has bounced from this important level of support to the upside, created this big another bullish candle on this important level of support zone here. On in the weekly perspective, we see that gold has formed this triangular pattern which is also bullish, and from that zone this bullish candle, which is a weekly middleman, gold has broken to the upside. Now after this kind of candle we can expect bullish candle next, and this is what we have seen this week so far. We have seen a strong bullish movement throughout the week. Now what we see that this is the weekly candle. As this is weekend, what I think that gold might be coming to test the weekly support again, as this is a very high price. As I mentioned, this price lastly visited a year ago, and there is a lot of seller in that zone, and we could see some pressure coming to the downside. In that pressure, what I think that gold might be again testing this weekly support zone before creating any move to the upside. Now if we look at daily, we can see that gold has formed a typical bullish market structure. With this daily liquidity grab, gold has created this big impulse correction to the previous support. If we draw this level of support, we can see exactly corrected also 61.8% Fibonacci. If we take our Fibonacci for this move from starting of the move to the end of the move, we can see that gold has come back to this important previous support zone and also retraced 61.8% Fibonacci level, and from that Fibonacci we saw that gold has created this bounce to the upside. Now currently we see that gold is coming down as expected for a deeper pullback, and this is the level that I'm expecting. This is the weekly level where there is a high liquidity. On the daily, as you can see, there's a narrow doji, and also this is the top of this bullish candle. There was a reversal on the lower time frame. That resistance highly likely could be tested as a support, can give us another buying opportunity on gold. Now if we look at lower time frame on the intraday, we see that gold after this big move to the upside has formed a reversal pattern, and now the price is breaking down on the lower time frame. I will wait for gold to come back down at least to test this level. There are a couple of resistance that we can look at. There is one here, and also this is the ultimate one that is we are expecting on the weekly to test this level along this zone. I'll be waiting for a lower time frame selling opportunity, as we see that gold is coming down on the lower time frame. So as soon as we will find any kind of selling opportunity along this zone on gold, we will consider going short for this move to the downside with a high probability trade setup with our students. At the same time, as this is a long-term bull market, any drop to this level later today, even during the news announcement on the lower or higher time frame, any break of this level, we will look for potential buying opportunity along this zone. As soon as I will find suitable entry opportunity, according to the rules of our strategies, we will consider going long from that zone with a high probability trade setup with our students. If you find value in this analysis, then smash the like button and also let us know in the comment section which way you are trading gold. Thank you. I'll see you soon in my next analysis.